Xavier Charles Tondo. All the way from Ifugao, Carl Thomas Martin.
At least sa top 50. Of course, the bigger picture is getting a world title shot.
12 rounds of boxing for the WBA Asia Super Bantamweight Championship.
Guy like Charles Tondo kasi he is the more natural. He's the
And black trunks with white trim. It's jabs.
napaka-importante niya yun. Ituin na si Carl James Martin dito sa laban na ito.
So bounce back with it.
Natin that this is scheduled for 12 rounds.
Yes. In 19 fights with 16 knockouts.
This is a bad sign for Charles Tondo. He's too flat-footed. Good footwork. The rate coming from Carl James Martin. You can see that Carl James Martin opening to expose this one-dimensional attack coming from Charles Tondo.
Looking for him to vary his attacks and go.
He's trying to tag ito na nga with jabs itong katawan. Ayun, makikita naman natin din yung left straight Charles Tondo.
Right on cue, Carl James Martin going downstairs and giving Charles Tondo something to think about. That's it for
Shoso, yung composure, not really that reckless.
right. We begin round number 2 here at Battle of Manila.
Check hook.
And both fighters are southpaws.
That's a good body shot. Southpaws.
Yes. You know what? What's
Similar to orthodox. Mas gamay nila kung tutuusin of having that stance. But has the speed, has the power, and has the much better footwork.
right?
Carl James Martin mula doon sa 1-2 coming from Charles Tondo. Ang ginawa ni Carl James Martin, kinasa ni Carl James Martin.
His spots, and that's a good right from
In partner.
And this is a promising sight. It'll be his last fight here in the Philippines as he.
Not to sugarcoat it, but I'm seeing a calculation.
That's a great 1-2 from Martin. Much of the round on his back foot. Minsan bumabato ng 1-2. Etong si Charles. Ready to begin round number 3. Scheduled for 10 rounds. Super Bantamweight belt. Una. Jabs. Pagkatapos.
Bring it on,
To
sabi
bring
ni
it on, yes. Napatras doon si Carl James Martin.
somehow showing some evasiveness.
Both boxers looking in great condition as we see Charles Tondo letting his hands go. Oh, there's a right. There's a good right from Carl James Martin. Restoring it on against Martin, who is thin. And it's somehow fired up etong si Charles Tondo.
Tondo, pinapatunayan dito, talagang, but still he's living up to the Tondo name as coming from Carl James Martin.
There again, Martin. Tondo trying.
This is a good round for Charles Tondo. Asserted himself in the fight. But that's a good
Round number 4 between Carl James Martin and Zania. Ito po si Carl James Martin with his offense as he.
It's only a 1-2, but it's effective.
Ito si Carl James Martin forward again.
Si Martin needs to at least vary yung mga body shots niyan. It was helpful in he's not that comfortable pag siya yung nasa receiving end.
Right, Ronnie Baldonado.
Correct.
He got frustrated, he got reckless at some point.
But I just want to see him just to stick with his game plan. It's good that it's just he got shocked there.
Yeah, Tondo is getting fired up here. It has to hold on to him. Magkasing edad po itong dalawang Martin and Tondo. And they are... Martin, that's another good body shot. Last 10 seconds of this round. As we begin round number 5. And Charles Tondo.
Inviting.
Yeah.
He could take the punches of Charles Tondo.
As they may be, they appreciate that. It's Tondo as he shrugs off in a fight against the Filipino champion. Carl James Martin's offense there.
Nag-iisa ko dito, lalaban ako.
Martin, you can see that look in his eyes. Oh, that's from Charles Tondo.
Martin still king. Ito nga si Charles Tondo. Pace favors Carl James Martin. Charles Tondo.
To find his moments dito sa round number 5. And we are headed to who can have the last say. This round number 5 of the 5th round.
Nice right.
And I think that's going to be with
The box off.
12 round. Round number 6 between and Charles Tondo for the WBA Asia Super Bantamweight belt.
So far sa kanya lahat ng significant punches. The corner of Carl James Martin instructing him to get out of the ropes.
But that is what Charles Martin on the back pedal. Here comes Carl James Martin. Sagutan ng suntok dito.
Felt it. Carl James Martin is back in the game.
And a shot to the body. Another shot to the body. Tinatargetan ni Martin.
Here comes Martin.
And the Philippine
I think Tondo is
punches
from the first round.
from the very first round, right?
Seat right now, partner. Martin knows. That's the vulnerability. Martin
And there
goes
you
for
go.
the kill.
He has clearly taken the steering wheel off of Charles Tondo's hands.
Martin tries to go full throttle here in the 6th round, partner.
Martin driving. Eto pong si Charles, 15 seconds.
Martin has 15 seconds left. Less than 15 seconds.
Partner, napapansin mo, nakababa na yung kamay.
A dominant round.
Etong si Charles Tondo seemingly had control of the fight. Number 7. From Carl James Martin. And kaya-kayang i-sustain yun. Number 7. Double jab from Martin and then he goes to the butt.
Carl James Martin, he has to sustain that. At least 3 punches to back the Tanzanian.
I-wrist.
Oh, that's
on that receiving end.
kailangan Kasi alam din ni Carl James Martin, the only way to hurt
Tondo now seems to be very fixed.
Carl James Martin has yet to deliver a body shot here in this round.
And here he is again on the ropes.
Ayun, medyo bumato but that's a bit soft. Alam ni Carl James Martin, if he hurts the body, the head will fall.
Right. Oh. And that's a good left straight.
Back and forth. I'm a bit skeptical here, partner.
You know, Martin left him off the hook. Right?
Exactly dito.
Let's find out dito sa round number 8 if someone is whole and Martin begins the...
And Carl James Martin are giving this a hard time, partner.
Charleston though, he's showing some life. Sneaks in a jab. And another one. Of course, that's at bay. But Martin, eto, bumabato na naman sa katawan. He needs to land that. Will keep Carl James Martin. That's a solid left coming from Carl James.
Martin trying to go down again. And he knows the vulnerability is in the midsection.
And fewer of those body shots.
That's a good uppercut there.
Murdo answers right back with his own uppercut.
Last 10 seconds, partner.
Round number 8.
Doing some more tackling.
We have noticed we are now in the 9th round.
Ang round number 9. Martin with a good...
Martin stalking.
Napapansin mo, parang nag-iba ng approach si Carl James Martin here.
Oh, in a big way.
He has a lot of time tapusin ito sa round na to. We still have 90 seconds left.
Alstondo proving to be
That's a good double jab. Oh, that's straight left hand from Carl James Martin.
customer here in the final minute of round number 9. 1-2 from Martin. We are heading into the final 20 seconds of round 9. Last 10 seconds of the round. Ito na. To reach this point, round number 10, mga kaibigan. Martin has made it a point to start.
Going back to the body again. Parang by a hair lang yung distansya nila.
Martin going back to the body. Ito namang si Tondo going back to his jabs.
Pero partner, kahit sabihin natin,
It somehow stops etong si Martin on his track. Martin misses with the haymaker there. He lands an uppercut.
mo partner, napaka-loyal ni Carl James Martin sa round na ito.
As he has done so earlier in this fight. At bumaba yung mga depensa nitong si Charles Tondo.
Ito yung mga flurry of body shots na yan. This is dangerous. This is a dangerous round.
Sunod-sunod yung kanyang mga tap.
Mapapansin mo, medyo niluluwa ni Charles Tondo yung mouth guard niya.
Some punches. Last 10 seconds of the 10th round.
We saw that
Right,
in his
the
last.
final 2 rounds. I know he wants to finish this fight. Round number 11 is underway. Ito na naman ni Carl James Martin. Kanina sa round 10, nakita natin sa katawan ni Charles Tondo. Left coming from Martin.
Nasaktan doon si Charles Tondo.
Iniinda niya yung body shot na yon from Carl James Martin.
That Carl James Martin likes round 11. That's where he
Carl James Martin. Charles Tondo, bibilib ka rin dito, ha? Left straight from Martin. Well, although may moments na mukhang bibigay na siya, pero nakakabalik at nakakabalik pa rin.
Alam nyo na yung sagot. We're just stating the obvious.
An uppercut from the Filipino champion. Halos iniluluwa na naman yung kanyang
Mouth guard.
mouth guard. Oh!
Ladies and gentlemen,
How his
this is
corner's
round number
instruction
12.
is being received.
Who would have thought?
Martin, yun pong iba-ibang attacking binibitawan niya. We have seen more of his body work. Yes, talagang gustong-gusto niyang bigyan ng
Trying to give the crowd what they want. Mas 6.
James. Ibaba ang kamay, James.
Na referee yung tinatanggal na ni Tondo yung mouth guard. At least
kumukuha na po ng hangin. Etong si Charles Tondo.
pop in and pop out your mouth guard.
Dito sa final minute ng round number 12.
Pero sa for Charles Tondo to go 12 rounds. Atin. A good check right hook.
At eto na. The referee called for a break of action. Neutral corner. Ito pong si Martin as care of. Uling bahagi na po ng round number 12. Martin trying to give outburst here. And he is doing so. Looking for the finish in the dying seconds of round 12. A heart shown by Charles Tondo, partner.
Exactly.
118, 110. For your winner by unanimous decision and steel.